Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making 1 pot garlic Parmesan Orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2½ cups of chicken broth, 1½ cups of dry Orzo pasta, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 3 large garlic cloves minced. A large saucepan, you want to add in your chicken broth. We're going to let that come to boil over high heat. Once your broth has started to boil, you want to add in your ground black pepper, your minced garlic, and also your Orzo pasta. Next, you want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to place your lid over top, and you want to lower your heat to medium-low, and we're going to let it cook until most of the liquid is absorbed. You also want to make sure that you stir occasionally. Guys, remember to cook your pasta according to your preference. If the liquid goes out before your pasta is cooked the way you want it, all you have to do is add a little bit more chicken broth in it. Okay guys, as you can see, most of the liquid is gone. So now we're going to add in our shredded Parmesan cheese, our heavy cream, and also our parsley flakes. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined and all your cheese has melted. And I'll let it cook for about a minute or so. Okay guys, so here we have it, our garlic Parmesan Orzo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?